Dr. Ahuja was basically introduced to us by my family doctor. I started seeing him. We started in with physical therapy, and I went through maybe, I think it was 2 or 3 rounds of the shots in my back. They worked, and then after a while, it just didn't do anything. It just wore off. I was limited to basically what outdoor activities, taking care of the yard, which is one thing I like doing, is doing yard work, and that was very limited. You couldn't use a weed whacker no more than 5 minutes. I'd have to bend over, take pressure off the spine. And a lot of the medications that I was prescribed really didn't do anything.
I kept falling, and I was falling on a weekly basis, almost every day, where I couldn't do anything. I couldn't stand up. I could barely walk from the mailbox to the house before I'd have to sit down. Before, it was a 10 all the time. I don't have to use my wheelchairs to get around.
Walkers.
Or I don't even use a walker.
We got a brand new walker at home. We do. Brand new walker and a brand new wheelchair. Walking is much easier. Outdoor activities in the yard, I'm able to do more of that. I wouldn't have hesitated at all. I wouldn't. It's a big improvement.